Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Xero. In this video I want to show how to export invoice time reports to Xero in Clerk. The Clerk Invoices app could be connected to Xero. This integration allows sending time reports and invoices to Xero. Now let's see how we can attach detailed time reports to invoices that Clerk sends to Xero. Every time-based invoice line in Clerk has a time report that we can customize. And before we will export this invoice to Xero, we need to open the connected invoice layout, click Edit, and check that we have this option enabled. Because if it's disabled, the time reports will not be exported to Xero. Now we can get back to our invoice and export it to Xero. And now let's check the invoice that we have in Xero. So as we see, we have two lines and two time reports attached. So that's how it works. You can watch more videos about Xero integration features in our help center. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.